Hello, I'm Gareth Davis, or Gareth Grassland as most people know me. Yes, and I'm an independent grazing advisor. And I've been working for this season with Rhyn Williams at Ochra Farm in Tregaron, setting up a rotational grazing system for his ewes and lambs. We've been focusing on the lambs since weaning, and they've been on a paddock system where we've split them into 3 mobs, and each mob has had an area of around about 10 or 12 acres. They're currently stocked at about 25 lambs to the acre. We've been drafting them out when they're ready to go and then replacing them with additional lambs as and when required. We're now moving into late August and towards September, and it's the one thing I'm always very keen on, is making sure that farmers start thinking about their autumn grassland management and planning, and also looking at what they're planning to do next spring. So in this instance, Rhyn has put in some swedes and has got baled silage in the fields there, and he intends to put the ewes on them at the beginning of December, which they will graze through until mid to late January before they come in ready for lambing. So the plan is now the 3 groups of lambs, now that they've been reduced in numbers, will be reduced to 2 groups, and then that'll free up a bit of extra ground for the ewes. So we will graze off a couple of paddocks in mid-October, and then those paddocks then will be shut up and put to one side in readiness for ewes and lambs to go out on them in March. And it's that sort of forward planning is what is the key to setting up the grazing for the following season. So once we know that those fields are going to be grazed off by the end of October, we can then put a sensible plan in place then for grazing the rest of the farm, eking it out until the first week of December when we put them onto the swedes. So it's just a case of literally knowing what you've got, where it is, and what the demand is at the farm at any given moment. And then it's just a case of straightforward calculations then to work out how big an area they need for the period ahead of them. So it's just literally all about planning. But if we don't measure the grass, and if we don't record it, and we don't know what our demand is, then it's nigh on impossible to put together a 100% practical plan for the farm.